if we try to visit the Vipassana Samadhi, so it supports us to attain the remaining Samadhi, the remaining Dhamma eyes. Those are Magga Samadhi, Phala Samadhi, and Pajawakana Samadhi. So what we need to do, what we need to focus here is using the second eye of Dhammasakata Samadhi to control our action, not to do evil deeds and to do good deeds, and also using the first eye of Vipassana Samadhi to purify our mind. We were trying to practice insight meditation using the Mahasatipatthana method. So using two eyes of Dhamma, Vipassana Samadhi and Dhammasakata Samadhi, we can live at our home, going through the four rooms, Kaya Vedana Citta Dhamma, through the 6 doors. If we can live so, we will be safe and we will be free from different kinds of danger and we will be happy and peaceful. So I hope may you apply these two types of Dhamma and may you live at your home, going through the four rooms, using the mindfulness. Sometimes you may look there, 6 doors and attain happiness and peacefulness. So may you apply these two types of Dhamma and may you attain the ultimate happiness of Nibbana. So may you practice applying these two Dhamma eyes.